First of all, welcome in my channel, and today I'm going to tell you about my membership plan. First of all, I will provide you .NET Core video tutorial, Dapper tutorial, REST API tutorial, Angular video tutorial. Not only video tutorial, I will provide you complete source code. Okay, and it's not only a simple video tutorial; it's a project-based video tutorial. So each technology have minimum 2 projects. So guys, this is a project-based courses in all technologies, just 800 rupees. And you focus that it's not only a technology, it's a roadmap. Okay, so that is the complete roadmap of .NET Core, and that video tutorial is providing you a past deal for you. Okay, so first of all, I will provide you .NET Core and video tutorial. It's not only simple video tutorial. Again, I repeat you, project-based video tutorial. So I will cover it, all design patterns and solid patterns and architectural designs. Okay, so I will give you clean architecture-based projects. Okay, so that is .NET Core, and that .NET Core used Entity Framework Core and SQL Server. In further video, I will use ADO.NET and the Dapper, and just after that, I will use Blazor as a front end, and Angular as a front end, and the React as a front end. So use REST API. So it's a based on project, okay, and it's a roadmap so that we can cover all the topics of the full stack development. So this is only 800 rupees. You just pay me 800 rupees and get all video tutorials. Okay, so day by day. And if you are belong from other country, just pay $15. And it's only a one-time fees. That is, again, I repeat you, one-time fees. Just only pay 800 rupees and get the source code and complete video tutorials. Okay, so how to get the deal? Just fill this form. That is your name, your email ID, your contact number. Contact number is not necessary. Transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. If you are belong from India, just pay using UPI ID and just add your transaction reference ID. And after that, if you are belong from other country, just use this my PayPal ID, and this is, you can use this QR code also. Okay, and submit the form. After submitting your form, you will get a notification via email, and start your journey for the membership. Okay, so just find the link of this form in your video description box. So in this video tutorial, just I'm going to create a report, or you can say that CSV file for each types of list. I mean to say that when I just tell something about like a customer list and the customer type list. So that one is the customer type list index page, and here we have a list of customer types. So I want to generate a CSV file. So we just use JavaScript for your making the CSV file. So the class is called 3. Okay, and now I want to go for ref2 and AID. ID is export btn, that is export button. And here we go for the style. Cursor is pointer. Okay, and here we go with the I tag, and class is that is fa dash file export. Okay, so I'm going to give you a export. Okay, now I want to create a new JS file under your JS directory, and new empty file, export JS, export file.js. Okay, export file.js, I mean to say that you can say document dot get element by id, and here we go for export btn dot add event listener, that is from click. There we go for the function. Okay, so under the function we can just use where table is document dot get element by id. Okay, and the table name is just I want to get element by id, so that is the search result table. And the next one is where row is that is from table dot query select role, and query selector all, I mean to say that old tr is selector. Okay, and the next one is where that is csv. It's a type of array. Now you can use for each. Oops, it's giving me a suggestion. What about this? Okay, it's nothing to actually it's a time to give me a suggestion. Okay, 4 and 4, it's where I equals to 0 and I tends to row dot length. It's a table dot query selector dot all, so row dot length and I plus plus, and where row equals to, you can say it's empty right now, and calls equals to row of I dot query selector all. Okay, that is td and th, td and th. Okay, and the next one is for where j equals to 0, j tends to calls dot length j plus plus, and the next one is if I is double equals to 0 and calls of z dot has attribute, and that is I want to skip the last column of the index, and that has attribute is data skip, so that is data skip. Okay, and just I want to use continue, sorry. Okay, and the next one is if I is not equals to double equals to 0 and double and rows oops of 0 dot children of j dot has attribute, that is a data skip. And this is one for the continue, again the same thing. Okay, again just row dot push the calls of z dot inner text also say dot inner text, and that is csv dot push raw dot join, where csv string is csv dot join, where blob equals to new blob, and that is csv string. Okay, and also I want to define the type colon text oblique csv. Next is where link is document dot create element, that is anchor element. I want to select link dot href is url dot create object url, and that is from blob. Okay, and link dot download is, that is just put it search result.csv. Okay, and now we all know that it's a search result.csv. So document dot body dot append child, that is from link dot click, and this is one for document dot body dot remove child, that is from link. Okay, and that one, save this, and now use this and just call it from the index.cshtml file. And here we have a at the rate of section script src is for the js file, export file js. Oops. Okay, now save this, and now I want to run your customer types, and you can check the result. Okay, so you know that here we have a export file.js file, and this is you can use this file for each of these controller action method, because it's a JS file. So here we have a result of table.query select role of dr, and each iterations we just where row is empty, and we all know the I want to check it the output, the customer type list. I think, oh okay, it's fine. Now here we have export, and just click on it, nothing to do is happening, and just I want to check the actual result. So type error, cannot read property of undefined read query selector all, and HTML anchor element. Okay, just I want to check it. Okay, so here we have a result that is query selector all for the rows. Actually, it's not a single row, it's a rows, so that we can use rows here, and that is the single row, so that we can say rows of I dot query selector, so that we can differentiate between the row and rows. And now that row dot push the columns of J dot inner text, and now okay, now save this. Now just after that I want to run again to check the issues, and finally you just got a result, and I want to check. Okay, that's cool, because in the last column it has actually skipped off this column. Okay, so you can add these things in all the tables like sales type, sales order, customer, to export data in a CSV format.